Everybody up, love you look, yeah, give them a update. What me do? Everybody up, give them a update.
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. Anyway guys, I've been waiting on the update and the update is here. I'm actually at the foot of sHill. Alright, I made contact with the developers for you guys sometime this week and I'm here to provide you with an update. However, before we get into the video, please, I'm begging you, if you're new and you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please go right ahead, hit that subscribe button, like this video, turn on the post notification bell, and leave us your comments. Alright guys, so I went ahead, I contacted Gore Development as well as I contacted Housing Agency of Jamaica. So in terms of sHill, currently they are still working on the road network. The sewage infrastructure is also being worked at the moment, but in terms of the actual putting up of the structure, they are not quite sure as to when exactly they will be doing that. Alright, so it is set to be done sometime this year in 2022. But to tell you that it's going to be next month or the next 2 months, they are not quite sure, so they cannot give that information out to the public. Alright, also the estimated price that they will be starting at will be between the range of $16 million and $23 million. So remember, they will be offering 2 bedrooms and 3 bedrooms. So they are not quite sure as to how they will put their starting price, but that's the range that have been given. Alright guys, so in the meantime, make sure say una go and save up on a deposit. Ensure say you have a pre-qualification letter ready, because once sHill drop, it's gonna go like hot bread. I know you guys know about ChriSamz building right around the road. Fontana is also coming to Portmore. Portmore is officially on its way to becoming another parish. So guys, get your documents, get your deposit. If you want to try to secure a loan from now, I don't know how you're going to do it, but get your things together, because when sHill send out the notice that they're going to start building, ensure that you're at the head of the line. Alright, and as you can see from the video that I've shown or will be showing, they are still doing work. As a matter of fact, you see the equipment are still here. They've been working on cutting the land properly in terms of grading and stuff like that. And I know you're thinking about the price range. It's really going to be dependent on the level on which your unit will be. Alright, so just to jump over to Phoenix Park, they have already handed over their keys for phase 4. They are finishing up phase 5 at the moment, and you guys are asking for an update on Phoenix Park Village 2. I got that for you as well. Alright? Before I ever get into that, remember to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave your comment. And guys, if you know want me go a country, go video house phone, watch the ads then, please. If you watch the ads, I can make some gas money. I'm travel Jamaica and give you the contents, alright? So into Phoenix Park Village 2, the proposed date to start the project is 2023. I'm being advised that they are not sure if that date will be pulled forward or pushed back, but that's the time that they are thinking about starting the project. In terms of pricing of the units, we are not quite sure what that is going to be. As you know that a lot of things in the market will determine the starting price. It will be determined by cost of labor, material, the surrounding community. Everywhere in Jamaica is now being developed. So guys, like I said before, save your deposit, get your documents together, and put yourself at the head of the line. Just recently, NHT sent out a notice on their Instagram page about Silversun Estate. They are also sending out other units for Silversun. So if you never catch the first couple of phases, more houses are coming. So you can go on their Instagram page, click the link in their bio, and sign up the form. They also made mention that this form will not guarantee you a spot to get a unit, but at least you'll be there and you'll be getting your updates. So guys, go right ahead, check out their page, keep yourself posted, and remember to come back to this channel because we'll have more updates for you as soon as we get them. And if you want to see other updates, please leave them down in the comments. Check out our other videos. We showed you an aerial shot of the new Price Smart, and we will definitely try our best to be there on the opening day just so that you guys can see that. So until next time guys, that's the update that we have for you guys on sHill, Silversun, and also for Phoenix Park and Phoenix Park Village 2. Alright, so please remember to like, share, subscribe, leave your comments, check out our other videos, continue to support the channel, and the more that you support is the more that we will be able to provide you with content. So thank you guys so much for taking on this journey, and until next time, we will see you in another video. Take care.